Let's face it, lockdown's no fun, but we can change that. Instead of being cooped up inside, why don't we pitch a tent outside on the back lawn with a whānau? Or using this time to get our main knives in tip-top shape. Creating a marakai or a garden is an awesome way to fill up some time during lockdown. Our ancestors knew to be ahead of the game, they had to do the mahi. You can download planting calendars such as this one. Planting calendars give you a guide as to what's best to plant at certain times of the year. Planting a marakai is a great way to sustain your whānau. During lockdown with time up our sleeves, there's no reason why we can't stay sharp. Using this time to get our main knives in tip-top shape. It's also a great time to hone our technique to get the best edge. Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to sharpen your knife and the main system that I use every day. These sharpening devices here are a great quick fix, but not the greatest for your main knife. It takes away a lot of excess metal which will limit the lifespan of your knife. The good old whetstone. Now everybody's probably seen one of these, but these do take some time and skill to be able to use properly. It's all about getting that correct angle. A tip when sharpening your knife is to take a marker and mark the edge itself. That way you know when you're using your stone that you're getting the right angle and only taking the edge away. So I'll show you the Lansky system and why it works for me. The Lansky system comes with a clamp which holds onto your knife. Now instead, like the old whetstone where you place the knife on top of it, here the stones are already placed and so that you scrape above the knife itself. Different angle pitches to suit different knives and thicknesses allows you to get the perfect angle every time. Bit of a fail-safe. It allows you to flip it over and do both sides with again that perfect angle. And that's how you get the perfect edge. Keep your knives in tip-top shape and stay sharp this lockdown. Why don't we pitch a tent outside on the back lawn with a whānau? This gives us a good opportunity to check the tent, check for any holes, air it out, check that we have all our pegs. And the guy ropes. And just give it a good old testing. Doing a maintenance check is important, but most of all, it's about having fun during the lockdown with the whānau. What you got?
Marshmallows.
Woo! Woo!
Oh!
Hunt, gather, provide. From home, marshmallows.